Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to Cobol, where we will see how we can create the evaluate statement in Cobol program. So evaluate statement is mainly used to decide the conditions. Like if we have multiple condition and for those multiple condition we want to print some text or we want to run some set of codes. So in that case, what we will use the evaluate statement. So if you have learned other programming language, then maybe you are aware of the case statement. So you can say that it is something related to that only. So to explain this program in a simpler way, I have created one simple example and I'll walk you through this code, and we will also understand the syntaxes that we are going to follow for this particular example for evaluate statement, and also we'll try to call this program and see how the programs is working for the given scenarios. So let me take this option 2 on this screen, and here we can see we have this program where we have noted down the structure for entire scenario. So let's start from the very first line itself. The first line is used to initiate the identification division. In identification division, we have noted down program ID and author. So if you are not aware of identification division, then it is a division which provides the information related to program identity. Okay, so here you can see we have program ID and author name. So program ID is mainly used to indicate the program name. So you can see here test pgm, test pgm. Author name is indicating the author who has written this program. So likewise, like if there is any other information which you want to store as a program identity, then you can put it inside this particular block. So this is called the identification division. Now if you don't know the basics of Cobol, like why we have kept this blank line here, is these position are fixed. So in that case, or what all other divisions are there, then in that case you can refer the sessions from the initial list in a proper sequence, because all these sessions are in a proper sync and sequence. So if you refer it from the sequence, then it would be much easier for you to understand the program flow. Okay, so for now we are just focusing on the evaluative statement. So here from line number 5 to line number 7, we have noted down the comments. So you can see here evaluative statement, which is nothing but the topic of the today's session. Then we have initiated the data division block. Data division block is mainly used to define the working storage section. So inside this working storage section, we have noted down this variable declaration. So you can divide this entire declaration into 5 parts. So what are the 5 parts are? First one is 01, which is for level number. Then we have data name. Data name means whenever you want to access this variable throughout the program, you will use this name only, or you can say it's a variable name or data name. Then we have PIC. PIC is mainly used to denote the picture clause. Okay, so PIC means picture clause. Then we have 9 of 3, which is nothing but a data type and the maximum length. So 9 is representing the numeric data type, and 3 is representing the maximum 3 digit. So this is called numeric 3 digit. And then we have value clause, which is always a optional clause in Cobol, but for this example we need to store some value into it, so that's why we are using value clause in order to assign the value, which is 13. Okay, now if you remember this entire line, if you consider this entire line, then what it is denoting, it is denoting that we have declared the variable age, which can hold numeric value up to 3 digit, and right now it is storing the value as 13. Clear? So I think this variable declaration part is clear. Post that, we are using the procedure division. Now what is procedure division? Just after the procedure division, you can store all the information that you want to run as a main logic, and below to this we have noted down this evaluate true. So evaluate statement is mainly used to check whether the condition is true or false. If condition is true, that means it will check for individual conditions. So suppose right now we have stored the value for age as 13. So here it will check when age is 2, it will give the message age is 2. When age is greater than age is less than 5, then it will print the message age is less than 5. But in case of other, it will simply show when other display age is or just simply print age. Okay, we are just testing it, so no problem, we can just print it age. Okay, and then we are doing and evaluate. Okay, so let me change the value for this to show you the better thing explanation. So I'll just make it as 2. So this time age is 2, so it will go and check for the first condition, age is 2. So yes, age is 2, so in that case it will print the message age is 2. When age is less than 2, so first condition is true, then in that case it will simply print this message and directly came out of the loop, not loop, the statement. Okay, but if age is not 2, um, now here you can say that both condition is true because age is less than 5 also, but in evaluate statement it only execute one true condition. Means once the condition is true, then it will simply leave the entire logic and simply go to the end evaluate. Clear? So let's see what output we are getting if we call it right now. So if I call it with 2, you can see it is printing the message age is 2. Pressing enter, now you can see age is true. Okay, similarly, let's say instead of age is 2, we mark it as 1. So in that case, let's do the dry run. What it will do, age is 1, so it will check evaluate true, age is 1, no it is not, so it will print the age is 2, no it is not, so it will not print this line and go to this. When age is 1, 1 means age is less than 5, yes it is, so it will print the message age is less than 5. Otherwise it will print the message age. In if both condition is false, above both condition is false, then in that case it will print the message age is, other statement will be executed and age will be printed age. Okay, so right now we have age as 1, so this condition is false, so it will lie into the second condition and message will be age is less than 5. I hope this example is not so confusing because of the numbers, because numbers is bit different here. Okay, like here you can see we have age 2, then less than 5, so don't get confused because I just created in this way so that you can understand that if both condition is true, then only it will execute the first condition. That's why I have noted down like this. Okay, so let's see what output we are getting for the second scenario where we change the value to 1. This time it is printing the message age is less than 5. Alright, now we will go for the third condition and this time I'll make the age greater than 5. So you can see the first condition is failed because age is not 2, so it will skip this part. Then this part, age is less than 5, no it is not, so it will skip this part and it will directly go to the other block because there is no other condition apart from these two. So in other case it will simply print the message age and then stop print will execute and end the program. So let's compile this program and see the output. You can see it is printing the age. Okay, so this is how we can utilize Cobol evaluate expression in order to now like if any value, for example we have 3 digit, right? So 1 2 3. In this case only, this case also, like it will print the aged message. Why? Because this is also a condition which lies inside a other block. So it doesn't matter what value you are accepting after this, what value you are deciding after this, because if you are not selecting the value which is in the above condition, so if both the above condition is fail, then it in that case it will simply go to this other block and print the message age. Okay, so yeah, I think now we are good with these all scenario, and the thing that we need to take care is the syntax. It should be same only. And if I talk about, like right now we are just checking it with this true part, right? So instead of this, we will maybe in the upcoming session we will see one more scenario where we will directly place the value here itself. Okay, and as per the, like, not instead of true, we can use we can decide on the basis of some variable. So maybe we can see the upcoming session with some other example, or otherwise we will move to the next part. So it is totally depend on the requirement or need. But I hope this session is clear to all of you, where we just discussed how we can use evaluate expression in order to fetch the information, in order to print the information conditionally. because evaluate is similar to the case statement. If you have covered the case statement in other programming language, then it is similar to that, and it evaluates the expression and provide the output as per the conditions. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.